Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever before. From self-driving cars to advanced robots and life-saving medical breakthroughs, AI is everywhere. And at the center of this transformation is NVIDIA. Known for its innovative hardware, NVIDIA is leading the charge in AI development. Over the past decade, AI has grown from a futuristic concept to an essential part of modern life. Industries like healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and even entertainment have all been reshaped by the exponential advancements in AI. But none of this would be possible without the raw computing power enabling these breakthroughs. That's where NVIDIA's GPUs, or graphics processing units, come into play. GPUs are essential for AI because they process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. Unlike traditional CPUs, which are optimized for sequential tasks, GPUs are designed for parallel processing. This capability allows them to handle the complex computations required for training and deploying AI models. NVIDIA has revolutionized GPU technology, making it the backbone of AI development across the globe. With features like tensor cores and CUDA cores, NVIDIA's GPUs have become more powerful and efficient than ever. Tensor cores, for example, accelerate AI training by handling the matrix calculations at the heart of deep learning. This has enabled breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, generative AI, and advanced medical imaging. CUDA cores provide developers with the tools to fully optimize their applications for NVIDIA hardware. This combination of hardware innovation and developer-friendly tools has solidified NVIDIA's reputation as a leader in AI. But NVIDIA's contributions don't end with GPUs. The company has built a comprehensive AI ecosystem that includes hardware, software, and services. This ecosystem is designed to make AI more accessible and scalable for industries and developers alike. Take NVIDIA's Jetson platform, for instance. This cutting-edge technology brings AI capabilities to edge devices like drones, robotics, and smart cameras. By processing data locally on the device, rather than relying on cloud servers, Jetson enables faster response times and reduces reliance on high-bandwidth connections. This is particularly important for real-time applications, where even a fraction of a second can make a difference. Beyond the edge, NVIDIA's solutions also dominate in the cloud. Their scalable architecture allows researchers and businesses to handle massive datasets, train AI models, and deploy applications seamlessly. This flexibility makes NVIDIA's AI ecosystem a one-stop solution for a wide range of use cases. In healthcare, AI powered by NVIDIA hardware is transforming diagnostics. Doctors can now use AI to detect diseases earlier and more accurately, improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, NVIDIA's AI chips are enabling smarter automation, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. And in transportation, NVIDIA is paving the way for autonomous vehicles that promise safer and more efficient travel. But with these advancements come challenges that we can't ignore. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, issues like data privacy, ethical AI use, and bias in algorithms need to be addressed. NVIDIA recognizes these challenges and is committed to developing responsible AI solutions. By collaborating with researchers, governments, and industry leaders, NVIDIA is helping to shape the ethical standards for AI. Looking ahead, the potential for AI seems almost limitless. With NVIDIA at the forefront, we're moving toward a future where AI designs smarter cities, accelerates scientific discoveries, and solves problems we haven't even imagined yet. This isn't just about technology, it's about building a better future for everyone. NVIDIA's hardware is the foundation for this future, enabling advancements that are changing the way we live and work. If you're inspired by the possibilities of AI and want to stay updated on the latest advancements, subscribe to AI Shadows. We'll continue exploring the incredible ways AI is shaping our world. Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video. Together, let's decode the shadowy brilliance of artificial intelligence.